Hi, welcome. My name's Catriona Starpins and I am here today with another one of my unboxings of the Cranberry Colour Box. Very exciting. So the theme for this colour box this time around is blue. So I'll switch to my camera below and we'll see what's in the box. Okay, so hopefully we're in focus here. Oh, so April, hello, and thank you for ordering the blue creative color box from Cranberry. Here's some info about what's in the box. We're actually going to open that together, so I won't tell you what's in the list. We've got a selection of seed beads, Czech rounds, fire polish beads, and other Czech beads, and some miscellaneous beads and stones or other useful items. Some are regular stock, some are new stock. If not on the website, they will be soon. And some are things that are no longer available or end of line. Everything is great quality, no seconds. It's just some that are not economical to sell in small quantities. And everything should be labeled. And if there's no label and we want more, we can just message Joanne. Oh, so look at all these goodies inside here. So it's jam-packed full of treats. So I'll just pop that aside. We might start with my miscellaneous blue goodies. So generally this is everyone gets something a little bit different. No two boxes are the same. So I reckon it makes them even more special, those treasures. So I've got here, this is a ceramic cabochon and it's got a beautiful blue flower on there, really nice and glossy, and a good size there too for whether I use it in a pendant or yeah, I can see that being beautiful. So we've got that, and then there's these stones here, crystal stones, and what an unusual shape. They're going to be a nice challenge to try and capture those. You can see the backing on those. They've got a silver foil backing, and in the light they are just stunning, like a zircon blue type color. Beautiful. They would make lovely earrings actually, if we bezeled those into position, worked out the right amount of beads, could bezel those. Here are some seed beads. There is an 11 and the code is 387A, and they look like a color lined, almost like a cornflowery blue color. I'm not sure what they actually call it, but it's like a nice sky blue, and it's got a transparent coating on the bead and the color is on the inside of the bead. So hopefully you can see that in the video. There's not too much reflection. Really pretty. I've got some Czech glass flowers. So these are little flower beads with the center hole. Beautiful. They'll be great for embellishing, adding into my bead embroidery designs. So they will be gorgeous. Nice little size too. They look maybe about a 6 or 7 mil flower. So they'll be nice. Oh, these are interesting. These are like a little glass fan shape in like a Capri blue color, and you can see they're quite, I don't know if you can see that, but they're quite oh, there we go. Get the light to go through them. They're quite transparent, beautiful, beautiful texture on them too. Again, I've got 2 of those, so they lend themselves to being perfect for a pair of earrings. Might want to use one of them and just do a drop on the bottom of a pendant or something. Yeah. Ooh, and some lovely little frosted daggers. So these are the smaller daggers. I think they're 3 by 11 mil daggers. Really lovely matte color. I do love a matte bead. Very nice. So that's my miscellaneous goodies. Oh, and that was in there too. So these are a 3 mil, almost looks like a metallic blue color. So they're gorgeous too. Full strand of those. So there's probably 100 on there. And then I've got, these are all the items which I believe most people got same or similar. So I've got a strand here And these are the 12mm 2-hole stud beads, and the color is Jet Azuro. And there's a code on there, so I'm guessing we can order more of those if I want. But these are just gorgeous. They've got that really dark, it's a black with a blue coating over the top, so really lovely reflective iridescent-y blue coating. And there's a good amount of those there. Be able to do a lot with those. Then I've got a little bag, rectangles. These are similar, are available. Just search rectangles on the website. So let's have a little look. Looks like there's 2 colors in the one bag. And I've actually been using rectangles recently in my bead embroidery. They make a nice little body for a dragonfly. So they're a nice color for a dragonfly. I could do a pale blue dragonfly, and then this is like an opaque blue rectangle, really nice. These ones have transparency on one side and that frosted metallic coating on the other. They're nice. I like those. Oh, I like them all. So I've got some fire polished here. And these are the saturated metallic navy peony. And some of you might remember I used this color a lot in my fish that I made. It's just here, I'll jump him in so you can see that color in action. That's this color here. And yeah, I think it looks great in piece of beadwork. So got some more of those to use, which is wonderful. Thank you, Joanne. We've got some transparent Capri ovals. It says similar on the website, so we might not be able to get the same color as these, but definitely similar ovals on the site. And these are a nice size. Oh, look at the blue in those. Such a glorious blue. Really nice color. Really pretty. And there's quite a lot in the bag there. There's a lot you could do with those, whether you're doing stringing designs or whether you are doing bead weaving with them. You could do sections of bead weaving between one of these to break up the bead weaving rope. Yeah, that'd be really nice. These are some picture cabs. So it says these are a special order. We have a few more pairs, so please inquire. So if I love these, I'll be able to order some more. And they are really pretty. They would even go nice with this slightly different blue, but might be able to make, you know, a feature necklace piece with blue cabochons. Who knows? Who knows what's going through my mind on the day I'm designing. Oh, this is a nice big bag here. About 50 grams in there. This is a size 8 Czech seed bead in opaque French blue. And what a gorgeous blue that is. Real nice. Nautical blue, as I like to call it. And a good amount in there. So be able to make up lots of things with those. Put them to the side. I've got some leaves here. So 2 different colors in the one bag here, and it looks like there's a lot in there. Leaves are such a good thing for like at the end of your fringing, if you're making little tassels, they look really beautiful. Or you can use them like in your for embellishing or in your embroidery. They create a beautiful texture as well. So you can have them standing up from or standing out from your beadwork, or you can have them more flat as well. So they're quite a versatile shaped bead. Lots of things you can do with those. And it's nice to have a couple of colors as well. Really light blue there, and then that darker blue, both transparent too. Just okay, I got a Delica. These are a size 11 Delica bead, and the color I've got is 1497, and it's opaque light sky blue, and it's that real pale, almost looks white on the screen, but it is a blue that you can sort of see in the light there. Just gorgeous. Beautiful opaque blue, and that would contrast really nicely with some of the other colors I can see in here, so that's good. This is some O beads, and this is a new color to Cranberry. I remember when these arrived in and I was like, oh, gotta get some of those. Well, I don't need to now because they're in my box. So this is the Pastel Light Sapphire. And we'll just have a little look at the O beads because some people might be familiar with them and some people not so much. They're like a little teeny weeny donut shape. So hopefully you can see that there. Really nice mixed in with your seed beads. They create a good spacer bead, and they're also really nice with just a little 15 or 11 stop stitched on top of them in your bead embroidery projects. So yeah, they're lovely. I've got 2 tubes here of some 4mm Czech rounds, and this is the last, no more available. So got to treasure these, makes them super special, doesn't it? And these lids can sometimes be a little bit trickier to get off. You've got to give them a bit of a pull, but they come off. Look at that, beautiful. Well, make it in focus, hopefully. Beautiful transparent blue, really light sky blue. Gorgeous. Oh, there's one more hiding. So they're lovely. So 2 tubes of those, so heaps of those to play with. I've got some dagger, Milky Aqua 5x16, and these are a single hole dagger. And there's a code there if I need to order more. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at the colors in those. It's like a greeny blue, like a variegated kind of glass. They're really lovely. Really nice. I like those a lot. Shadowy, my hands on the bead mat are quite shadowy, so hopefully you can see what's happening. So I put this up over here a bit, that will help. Okay, next in here is some fire polished, and these are matte blue iris. They are the 4 mils, and look at the shine on those. Even though they're matte, they've got a real lovely depth to them. Hopefully you can see that. They are delicious. Oh, I love them. They will be really nice. I love the way fire polish with those facets on the edge of them. It creates a lot of depth in your work when you use those. Really adds a bit of dimension. Okay, and I've got, this looks like the last of the shaped beads. This is a gem duo. So gem duo, like the little picture on here, they're a 2-hole bead in the shape of a little diamond. This color is Metallist Blue, just gorgeous. And you can see there, they're really pretty. That would be nice. Beautiful. And all right, so the last ones I've got in here are all seed beads. So we'll start with the smallest first. I've got, ooh, this is a new color to Cranberry, and it's a matte color, a matte rainbow color, my favorite. Thank you, Joanne. Love them. So this is 154704, and it's a frosted opaque glaze rainbow soft blue made by Mayuki, and I hope you can see that. Oh my goodness, we're gonna have to pour them out. They are delicious. Let's get a little tray. I've got one here that I can use, and let's pour those out because they are so pretty. Look at that. Hopefully you can see the rainbow on those. They're really gorgeous. So that's the soft blue Mayuki. Love them. Okay, now we're going up a size into size 11. And this is an opaque let me hope I'm saying this right, delphinium Duracoat bead. So Mayuki, love a good Duracoat. And oh, I've got tape on here. We did have some trouble with some of the triangle tubes. The lids were starting to get looser and looser, which, as some of you may already know, we've switched over now to the round tubes, and gradually these triangle tubes are being superseded by the round. So if you get a lid taped on, it's because we are worried it's going to fall off. All right. Oh, they're lovely. Let's get those into focus for you. Pour a few out on my hand so you can see those. Really lovely opaque blue. And I can see a lot of the beads in this box are going to work so well together because they are all different shades. So be able to use them to shade and add definition. When you're beading, you don't want to have too many of the same color things because then it's all just going to blend together and you're not going to see the shape or design of the beadwork. So yeah, it's really nice to have a variety of colors in here. Oh, here we go. We're up to an 8 now. This is color 1425. Hopefully you can see that. And this is the silver lined blue zircon in the Mayuki, and very pretty. Why not? Let's mix them all up on my bead mat. Oh, they're gorgeous. They're a bit darker, but that silver lined, hopefully you can see the glistening of that silver lined color shining through. Really lovely blue. Okay, and oh, I've got 2 more in here. Oh, I missed an 11 before. This is DC 4281. And what do we got? I'll pop it next to it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. It's like a navy blue, which is silver lined and stunning. Let's just make sure we're in complete. Oh, that was worse. Trying to just make the focus look better and made it blurry. Anyway, that's real life, peeps. Okay, so that is that one. And the last color I have in here is an 8 again, and such a classic color. If you don't have this in your stash, oh my God, you need it because it's beautiful. It is the blue iris. And blue iris I love using because it really goes with so many things. It's a lovely darker blue, but it's got those tints of purples and greens coated over the top. So it's a bit like a peacocky blue. Hopefully you can see that. It's in my hand. Bring them up close. Really beautiful, iridescent. So there you go. Super packed, jam packed full of treasures. And I can't wait to see what I can create with these. I did talk about in my last video when I opened the red box that I wanted to create as many things as I could out of the red box. And so far I've made a pair of earrings, and the rest of the time I've been designing classes and kits for other things. So hopefully I'll get back to the reds, but now I can also combine it with blue. And you know what? Red and blue really work well together for a nautical theme. So stay tuned for some pieces coming soon. But yeah, essentially I absolutely love what I've got here. I hope you guys do too. For those people that did buy a box, maybe you'd like to comment below with things that you got different to what I got, and let me know what you think about them. And essentially, happy beading, and thanks so much for coming along. Bye.